on the back of the food log is a recipe, and it's called Rollin's Fall Fiesta. And it's 2 yellow squash, 2 zucchinis, a large tomato, more if you like. And I always think you can do whatever you want with these recipes, because as soon as this is Rollin, our buddy over there, who's running a rabies clinic tonight for pets for free. And he also is bringing a present for everybody next week, so you better come. And so this is his recipe. And when I read it, I said, I bet your Rotel zesty tomatoes would be good with this. So then you can add a little Parmesan cheese, some Italian breadcrumbs, and Italian seasoning. And then look how easy it looks. And he can even do it on the gas grill. Joe, you're his best friend. Have you ever had those? Are they good?
I had something similar.
Yeah? Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
Very good. And that's a nice way to get some fall squash in your diet. And I also have a 3 or 4 page article here on how to make the perfect salad, because I am stunned, look at me, and how many of you don't even have one salad a week? Not even one. And I'm not talking some iceberg lettuce with a little tomato cut up. I mean, I have at least multiple meals that are salad. And to have a meal that's a salad, you have to add protein. And this is a beautiful article here for those of you who don't know how to make a salad about adding greens and vegetables. Be careful with your toppers, because you could put a honker amount of croutons on it. I used to have this co-worker. Now, granted, she weighed 90 pounds, but she would get blue cheese, creamy blue cheese dressing, have a salad every day for lunch, and we would call it her soup salad, because there was so much. She would shake it up. There was so much blue cheese dressing. She weighed 90 pounds. She could guzzle the whole blue cheese bottle, but it was amazing. I like my salad dressing. I like it, but I don't want a soup salad either, okay? So add protein, and there's so many things. I like salmon on a salad, tuna fish on a salad, turkey on a salad. I don't put a lot of ham on salads because of the sodium. You can have shrimp on a salad. You can have sardines. I haven't tried sardines yet, but I'm going to one of these days. Also, notice that they say tablespoon, teaspoons of raisins, cranberries. People are starting to talk amongst themselves. Guess why? We're talking about food. They can't shut up about food. Okay. So, and then there's so many things. Eggs. I put hard-boiled eggs and a serving of nuts. You can have 10 cashews for 55 calories. Count them out. 10. All right. So, I'm going to stop right there, Bobby, and play the song.